How to make money on Temu affiliate program. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. It will land you on this page. Here you need to make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are signed into your account, tap on You at the bottom. Scroll all the way down and head over to Settings. In this page, you need to make sure that the country and the currency is set to US and the US dollar. Once it has been done, go back and head over to the categories at the bottom. Here in the search bar, you need to search for affiliate. It will redirect you to the Team Affiliate program where you can actually make the money by referring people to download the Team app with your link, or even when they buy something using your link. Then you will actually receive the 20% commission. And for every user that download using your link or your code, then you will get a $5 reward. Right over here at the very top, you can see that it takes $20 minimum to be able to cash out the money that you make, and then withdraw the money over to your PayPal account. So you can actually make the decent amount of money in here, especially if you have an audience that can promote your link. However, you can also send the link or the code to your family or friends. You can send it through any social media, and then get your friends and family members to download the Temu application. From that, you can also make some amount of money. So that's it, and this is how you can make money on Temu affiliate program. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.